Hey everyone, my name is Rahman Jamal of Rapbox Academy, and this is a workshop that I've taught all across the Bay Area, across the country, and around the world with different arts organizations. This is a beatbox workshop that will also help you develop things like clarity and enunciation and diction. So if you are a theater student or teacher, a public speaker, you can use these techniques to help develop these muscles to really get some clear speech going, and I hope you have fun. My name is Rahman Jamal, and I'm here at the Riekes Center in Menlo Park, California, the first home of Rapbox Academy. And if you're ready to learn how to beatbox today, you come to the right place. Now, before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to some of my personal favorite beatbox artists, starting with our pioneers, Dougie Fresh, Buff from the Fat Boys, Biz Marquee, Rozelle from The Roots. Also, my man's Radioactive from San Francisco, MC Infinite, Solat T from Alphabet Rockers. Out of LA, we got Click the Super Latin, Tom Thumb from Australia. There's so many dope artists out there that you should check out. You can YouTube them. And if you want to get some history on the art form of beatboxing, check out Breath Control. It's a documentary that inspired me to come up with the technique I'm going to show you today called Rapboxing or beatbox rapping. Now, beatboxing is the technique of making music using only your mouth, your voice, your throat, your lips, and your breath. You really don't need any other equipment. The drum kit is made up of 3 basic sounds: your bass or kick drum, your snare drum, and your hi-hat. With these 3 sounds alone, you can recreate almost any groove. These 3 drum sounds also have corresponding letters of the alphabet, which you're essentially emphasizing to give it a percussive quality. B's, P's, T's, K's, S's, SH's, CH's are all percussive consonant sounds. At the beginning level, we're just going to focus on 3, B, T, and K. At the intermediate level, you can use the letters of words to create various beatbox grooves. And at the advanced level, you can even write lyrics that will allow you to beatbox and rap at the same time, which is a technique that I introduced in the 2003 Sundance film, The Beat.
I bust the beatbox.
What?
The bass kick you like some sheet rock.
Come on.
I keep it pumping like a Reebok. Tongue flying at Mach 1. Top Gun, Houston. We have a problem. It's too complicated. Reproduce and keep the music and the beat purely human. Surely you can go practice, probably surpass us, but first the masses do have to be able to grasp it. So when I think the cipher, keep the people hyper while your girl screaming quiet. Don't tell Pharaoh Smith. Comparing this, spare your instrument. I got a pair of lips. Prepare for this. Fit my biggest imperative. Have Afro for American blast from Pin Hope for Maryland. It's on my arrogance. I have the right to be. That's why you play.
Alright, we're going to start with a warm-up, but we're going to isolate the muscles that we're going to be using primarily to make our beatbox, which are located all in this area. In the comfort of your own home, you don't have to worry about looking silly to anybody else but me. It's just us. Alright, we're going to stretch out our face first by making your mouth, your eyes, your nostrils, everything on your face as big as possible for 5 seconds. Ready? Go! Okay, now we're going to make all of those muscles as small and tight as possible. Close your eyes, scrunch up your nose and your mouth for 5 seconds. Ready? Go! Make it big. Make it small. Big, small. Alright, now we're going to make all of our face muscles go to the left. Ready? Go! Now, go to the right. Left. Right. Alright, now make everything go up. And down. Up. And down. Okay, now we're going to make a circle with our face. Go up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Now make a circle. Reverse it. Go right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up. Make a circle. your face and shake it out. You want to do that again, don't you? All right, we're ready to get started. Now, at any point during this video, you can always hit pause to practice some of these techniques that we're going to do. To start off with, I want you to repeat after me. Say, ba 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 ba. Ta 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 ta. Ka 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 ka. Now really try to make it percussive with everything that you're doing. So, ba 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 ba. Ta 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 ta. Ka 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 ka. If a little bit of spit comes out of your mouth, that's perfectly normal and recommended. All right, now we're going to whisper it, still keeping the same percussive quality. Ba 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 ba. Ta 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 ta. Ka 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 ka. Good. Now we're going to hold our breath and try to keep the same percussive technique with our letters. So, it should sound like this. Good. Now, if you want to know whether you're doing it right or not, a real good test that you can do is just putting your hand in front of your mouth like this and trying some of those sounds like you should actually feel the air hitting your hand as you're doing it. If you don't feel any air or sensation on your hand, then you have to use more breath and you have to use more percussiveness to get that sensation onto your hand. It's very important. Also, it also blocks spit if you're doing it around people and we don't want to spread germs. So, repeat after me. And as you're saying these, I want you to really overemphasize, almost to the point where it feels ridiculous, every consonant sound that you're saying. Starting with this. The roof of the mouth. The roof of the mouth. Think about what you're saying as you're saying it. It'll help you visualize and bring it all together. The back of the teeth. The back of the teeth. And the tip of the tongue. And the tip of the tongue. So all together, it should sound like the roof of the mouth, the back of the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. Try it. The roof of the mouth, the back of the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. Again. The roof of the mouth, the back of the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. A little bit faster. The roof of the mouth, the back of the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. How fast can you go? The roof of the mouth, the back of the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. One more time. The roof of the mouth, the back of the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. All right. So, as you might be able to guess, a really good technique for warming up and developing your beatbox sounds are tongue twisters. So I'm going to introduce a few more phrases that will help you develop these techniques that I've learned over the years. So we'll start kind of simple and easy. Well, I won't say easy, but simple. Repeat after me. Toy boat. Toy boat. Now, we're not just saying the words, remember. We have to make sure that every consonant sound that has a percussive sound, we're overemphasizing. So, toy boat. Toy boat. Okay, you feel it? Now, when you say toy boat multiple times, you want to make sure you're emphasizing every letter. So it should sound like toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Try that. All right, so if you can do it as fast as I can do it, then you know you're doing it at a pretty advanced level, because I've been doing this for a while. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Is that 5? All right, let's go on to the next one. The next one is aluminum. Aluminum. Aluminum, aluminum. Aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. Aluminum, 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 aluminum. All right. Next one. Linoleum. Linoleum, linoleum. Linoleum, linoleum, linoleum. Linoleum, 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 linoleum. All right? If you want the challenge, aluminum linoleum. Aluminum linoleum, aluminum linoleum. Aluminum linoleum, aluminum linoleum, aluminum linoleum, aluminum linoleum, aluminum linoleum. Our next one, red leather. Yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather. Now remember, it's not leather. When we do it fast and multiple times, this gets very difficult to say. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Easier said than done. I mean, easier read than said. This is my favorite. A box of mixed biscuits. Listen again. A box of mixed biscuits. 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 Let's go for 5 as fast as you can. A box of mixed biscuits. 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 A box of mixed biscuits.